Hey guys, welcome back. We're continuing with kid-friendly meals, and we're doing a lunch and a real simple but very full of flavor, big bowl flavors. My Mexican baked chicken with a simple salsa. Simple salsa. This really is as simple as it comes, guys. Season the chicken, nice full flavor, bake it. Nice bit of salsa to kick it up, serve with some rice, mashed potatoes, up to you. So I'm going to first start with making my salsa. My salsa is very simple. And a salsa, you can really kind of flavor it up however you so desire, kind of thing. I just have some tomatoes. I'm starting with a base of tomatoes that I want just to get chopped up here, rough chop, nothing fancy. Mexican flavors is pairs so well sometimes, I think, with our curries and jeera, cumin. It's very similar. I really think it's compatible. So I think that's why sometimes I like Mexican flavors a lot, because of how well I think it compares with our curries. In the chicken, when you see how I flavor that chicken up, it's really going to be nice and flavorful. Also has a little hint of curry and that type of thing. So these are sweet peppers, guys. As I said, this salsa is simple. Getting some veggies in there for the kids. It's meat, but getting some veggies at the base so the kids could get their veggies in. Everything going in one bowl. My last bit of vegetables is an onion. So I just want to get that cut down in half there. Also a very rough dice. That's it. Onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Now guys, I'm going to add now some corn. So this is just about a cup of corn, full can. Let me just add probably just about that. You kind of eyeball it a little bit. And I have some garlic, for which I have my garlic press. So I'm just going to add just about 3 to 4 cloves. See how much my garlic press can hold in there. Garlic goes in there. And lime juice. I have lime juice. And I just got to add just to freshen it up a little bit. This is just about a juice of 1 lime. And I can start mixing. Lovely color. Tomatoes, onions. This is where you can also season it up, guys. So some salt, some pepper. And you know, just for good measure, right? Just as I want to season this up, I have some jeera that I just want to sprinkle in that salsa. As I said, our curry flavors go really well with Mexican flavors. That's just some shadow benny finely chopped up to sprinkle over it. You mix that up together and allow that to sit. The tomatoes will get to know the sweet peppers. The corn will meet the shadow benny. Everybody will get to know each other. One big party. This is not COVID friendly, but vegetables don't have to worry about COVID, thank God. Right, and you put that aside. You allow that to rest and get together. And now it's time to season my chicken. So I have lovely pieces of chicken here, and I'm going to start basically seasoning the chicken. First thing I want to do is I have a lime, and the chicken is washed and cleaned. And I really just want to sprinkle a juice of 1 lime over that chicken. And now we season up the chicken. So I have some salt, starting basic. One side, we season salt. Pepper. I have some chili powder, guys. So this is like the dry rub. You're starting with a nice dry rub. And I have my jeera. Nice dry rub going all over the chicken. At this stage, I want to flip the chicken because I don't know about you, but I eat both sides of my chicken. So you don't want to season one side, you want to season both sides. So I just want to just allow me to do the very same thing. This as is, guys, is so flavorful with this spice rub that's going on this chicken here. And I just want to rub that in there. Massage the chicken. And now, little secret, this is straight out of the pack. This is fajita seasonings. I'm gonna add another layer of flavor. It's nice Mexican flavor. So it's a little cheat, but nothing wrong with that. So it's really just some fajita seasonings that you're adding there to give it some extra Mexican flavor. You add that all in there, and now you can get some wet ingredients in there as well now. So I have some Worcestershire sauce. Throw that in there. Goes well with meats. I have some Trini green seasoning that you can't go wrong with. And I'm just adding my Trini green seasoning in there. So you're seeing the big flavor. Another little cheat. This is out of a can. You can check it in the supermarket. Green chilies. You can use fresh green chili peppers. Some people plant and have fresh chili peppers. This is out of the can. Some nice liquid, nice flavor. Just a nice little cheat. You add that in there. Another layer of flavor. So you're seeing what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna use my hands, guys, and get this chicken all nicely coated with all the lovely flavor and seasonings in here. In the Caribbean, we don't make joke with that. We like to season our chicken, leave it 6 hours overnight to let it kusume, as we like to say here in the Caribbean. This chicken, as I said, let it just rest. I'm leaving this for about 6 hours minimum. Possibly I can leave it overnight, and then I will bake this chicken. Time to plate up because we have one that's ready, baking and hot in our oven. Nice batch here. Out of the oven. Oh yeah. If you smell what I'm smelling. So it kind of just gives off its own natural juices. A lot of flavor and gravy in this, so you just kind of just sprinkle, drizzle some of this lovely flavor over here. And guys, I'm ready to plate up this baby. So I'm using some salsa that I did here. Really nice, healthy dish. I love this part, choosing the pieces of chicken. Are you a leg, thigh, or breast wing? So just in case you're both, I'm gonna give you both. So I have a nice piece of breast that I'll rest here. I'm a leg and thigh guy, so I need a leg and a thigh. You serve that up, guys, and the kids will be very, very happy. Full of flavor, some lovely Mexican flavors. My simple Mexican baked chicken, guys. Please try it. Recipe on Copper Joe Caribbean. I just want to take a bite into this guy. Dessert is up next. This is for the big kids.